My name is Tunde Olutunde. I was looking to start my own business. I've been looking at different things over time. About a couple of years ago, I was thinking I wanted to start my own thing. But luckily for me, I was going through, in the course of searching on the internet, I saw RSU. And I was like, okay, this looks like what I would really want to do. So I called RSU, booked in an appointment for a workshop. They said there was a free workshop, which was interesting. So I came for the free workshop. There were quite a few of us in the group. After Joe finished, which was very, very insightful, he did a wonderful job. I felt like bringing out my checkbook and just writing a check for the cost of the training. The workshop was excellent, beautiful. My goals are intend to go global with this, really. You guys should watch out for SACS Recruitment Agency. We're going global through RSU. We appreciate Joe. He's done a wonderful job for us. The training is excellent, fantastic. He's got a lot of materials to do. And I hope by the time I come back again, I will have hit my first £100,000, which I'm looking at in a couple of weeks or a couple of months. Definitely not a year. I'm not waiting 6 months to hit my first 100,000. With the training and the materials Joe has given me, I don't think I'm gonna wait that long. Yeah, because I'm gonna put in all I've got. I'm gonna put in all my energy. I'm gonna put in all my time and make sure I don't disappoint RSU as well. Thank you, RSU.